The financial landscape is shifting, and there's one energy company that's right at the heart of it. Curious about which stock might be on the brink of a significant move? Stay with me, and I'll reveal the price target that everyone's talking about. Alright, let's dive into the news. Swiss National Bank, a major institutional player, has just made a significant move by reducing its holdings in FuelCell Energy Incorporated by a notable 6.2% in the first quarter. Now, this might raise eyebrows for some, but let's delve deeper. After this sale, the bank still owns a whopping 875,300 shares of FuelCell Energy, valued at around $2,495,000. That's not a small stake by any means. But Swiss National Bank isn't the only institution making moves. Tower Research Capital LLC TRC, for instance, increased its stake in FuelCell Energy by a staggering 81.9% during the same period. Other major players like California State Teachers Retirement System and Mitsubishi UFJ Kokusai Asset Management Company Limited have also been adjusting their positions, indicating a dynamic and active interest in the stock. Now let's talk numbers. FuelCell Energy's stock opened at $1.44 recently. With a market cap of $585.73 million and a rather volatile price-to-earnings ratio, the company has seen its shares fluctuate between a 12-month low of $1.31 and a high of $4.49. But here's where it gets interesting. FuelCell Energy reported earnings results that, while slightly below consensus estimates, showed a revenue increase of 134.1% year-over-year. This kind of growth cannot be ignored. Several brokerages have weighed in on FuelCell Energy's prospects. B. Riley and Craig Hallam, for instance, have adjusted their target prices, reflecting the dynamic nature of the stock's valuation. But amidst these adjustments, one thing is clear: institutional interest in FuelCell Energy remains high, and the company's potential in the energy sector is undeniable. Now, for those of you keen on the trading side of things, let's discuss the upcoming surge signals for FuelCell Energy stock. On the upside, we're looking at $1.45, $1.49, and $1.52. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could confirm a bullish trend. Conversely, on the downside, the signals are $1.38, $1.35, and $1.31. These levels are crucial. If the stock dips to these prices and doesn't find support, it might indicate a bearish move. As always, these signals are pivotal for traders to anticipate potential directional shifts in the stock's movement. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive for today. If you found this analysis insightful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay updated on more stock insights. Just commented subscribed? Let us know, and we'll do our best to respond. Before you go, I have a question for you. With all the institutional movements around FuelCell Energy, where do you see the stock heading in the next quarter? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going.